Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you have iPhone is findable and will not turn on. You want to follow this step. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do if you're having this issue is make sure you charge your phone for 30 to 60 minutes. You want to use a genuine Apple charger. And you want to make sure the charger itself isn't like damaged or broken. Sometimes it can also become defective. You have the wall adapter that can also break, and sometimes the cable itself you might have to get a new cable. If you have a different charger, you want to try to use the different chargers just to rule that out, so we'll make sure it's not charging. Now you can also do wireless charging. If you have a wireless pad on the newer phones, they charge wirelessly by just laying it on it, it will charge. Again, leave it for 30 to 60 minutes to make sure it's charged. Usually when you see a iPhone is findable and it won't turn on, and if it shows that battery, it's most likely because it's not getting charged. And that could also be because the charge port here sometimes can collect dust or dirt build up. So you're gonna take a flashlight, take a look at it, clean it out with something that's a non-conductive, that's not like a metal or anything, just to make sure it's making that connection as well. And that's why a wireless charger can also help with that. Now, if you did all of this and it's still not working, after charging for at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes, you want to follow this step, which is going to be, you're going to quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down, then hold on to the side button while it is connected to a charger outlet. So you're going to make sure you connect it to a charging outlet and then just follow this step. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button just like that. And you're going to wait for the screen to just completely go black before you let go of that side button right here that I'm holding down with my thumb. So as you'll see, it should go black like this, and you're going to wait to see if you can get that Apple logo to appear while leaving it on charge, and it should go ahead and turn on and be fixed. Again, if it doesn't work, even charging it for maybe 30 to 60 minutes, keep on charging it a couple hours sometimes. And again, make sure that charger that you're using is good, because generally if the charger isn't working, your phone is not going to turn on. That's why you see that battery icon saying iPhone is findable, because it is signed in with your Apple account. So that's what you need to do. And I hope this video is helpful. So please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. I'll see you guys next time.